G'day viewers, well, I'm just copying a lot of stuff that I don't already have. Just making sure, because my Samsung 500GB drive I've got in there, I don't really use it anyway, because everything I've got on that drive I have anyway backed up on other hard drives. So I'm running 3 speed fan, a Cronus and Puriform spec, and all 3 of them are reporting that Samsung hard drive in there is buggering up. It's got a lot of bad sectors and it's only about 62% healthy according to a Cronus. So using those 3 programs, that's the only hard drive in this machine that's buggering up. The rest are good, so it's good. My speed fan app is pretty reliable. It's just I've got to use the other more than just that one app or program to know for sure if a hard drive in particular has bad sectors. In this case, all 3 of them are reporting. My Samsung drive here is on its way out, so I've already got them the music and stuff on other hard drives. So I'm just triple checking that I have every single one off that hard drive backed up if I don't already have it. So I've got to double check. I'll blank that hard drive and leave it blank and pull it out and put one of the 1TB ones in the enemy man cave PC. The only thing I don't like about this case is the way they designed the hard drive caddy. You have to rip the bloody wires to shreds, especially this fan. The wires of this fan kick in and rip the shreds, pulling the bloody thing out all the time. And the bolts, you have to find the right screws that AirTech supply for those hard drives. Because I've never got any extra screws for this case, it's a bit difficult. So I have to use up clips or junk PowerPoint terminal laser block junction box screws, and they'll fit. So get that hard drive out and I'll replace that with a 1TB one. I don't need another 500GB one in there. Why have a 500GB one when I can have a perfectly good healthy 1TB one to drop in there as well? The more room on this machine the better. I always make sure I back up everything, even though I probably got the same thing about 10 times, but it's best to be safe than sorry. That's why I got so many hard drives. So I don't worry about losing the music or video on the other collection of stuff I've got over the years. It'd be a shame to lose everything, so it took a while to accumulate this much media and stuff on here, so might as well back it up more than once, have more than one copy available. Yeah, I don't use that Samsung drive in there anyway, so it's best not to use it in here. I take it out and I'll drop in a 1TB monster in there, which I've got my man cave computer, which is actually tested good. So I'm dropping the 1TB one in here, so I'll have a 4TB, a 1TB, 500GB drive, and the 470GB crucial. Got plenty of space in here. Alright, I put the fan in here in the back, so it acts as an exhaust. It doesn't fit quite well, but I had one screw holding it in, and the other corner is wedged up between the power supply and the bracket there in the back there. It seems to be holding quite well. So I'll pop this back out and give it a test. It's going to be a loud machine, but at least I won't get so hot. Got some sound working. Some Sound Max drivers. That's it, it's all good. Alright, well the Western Digital 1TB drive in this is in AAK peak condition according to all of my 3 disk health programs. My 500GB Seagate, well, yeah, 52% health. They're all saying the same thing, 52% health, and it's got a lot of reallocated sectors. So that little compact Seagate drive is just as buggered as that Samsung one. That the 1TB one in here hasn't replaced the other machine. So let's do this. Alright, it's all put back together. Give it a good clean. Man, this thing got some dust in it. That's better. Should I wait for it to reconfigure itself? Usually it does this when I take the hard drives out when I do a swap out, but yeah, getting there. It's the original hard drive that came with this and I bought it in this case. Yeah, looks like they wanted to take it apart but didn't bother. Oh, well, this can go on my man cave PC with the other faulty Seagate drive. Anyway, What's happened here? Ah, booted off the wrong one. Ah, the motherboard's forgotten to boot off my crucial drive. It's got to go off this one, you idiot. Oh, yeah, I got to say the booted motherboard BIOS. It does that. Oh well, quick reboot and I'll resave that and she's all good. Anyway, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.